Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Today we are going to see sum number 10 from your exercise. Arun and Bharat are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They decided to admit Manu as a partner from 1st April 2020 on the following terms. Manu will be given 2/5 share of profit. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2 years purchase of 3 years normal average profit of the firm. Profits of the previous 3 years ended 31st March were 2020 profit rupees 30,000, but it is after debiting loss of stock by fire rupees 40,000. In 2019 there was a loss of rupees 80,000, but this includes voluntary retirement compensation paid of rupees 1,10,000. In 2018 there was a profit of rupees 1,10,000, but this was including a gain on sale of fixed asset of rupees 30,000. Now we have to calculate the value of goodwill. Here we have some adjustments which we have to do or include while calculating the normal profit, and with this adjustment we have to find out the average profit and then we have to value the goodwill. Now we will solve the sum. First you have a column to find out the normal profit. In the first column we will have the year. Second column we will have the profit or loss which is given in rupees. Next, the adjustments given in rupees. Then the normal profit. So in the year 2020 the firm earned rupees 30,000 and there was an adjustment given, that is they have debited a loss of stock by fire of rupees 40,000, and this item which has been debited in the P&L account is now to be added. So now we have to add this 40,000. So now the normal profit becomes 70,000. Next, in the year 2019 the firm incurred a loss of rupees 80,000. And the firm had paid a compensation for the voluntary retirement. Okay, so that item which we would have debited in the profit and loss account has to be added back now. So add that 1,10,000. So now we will have the normal profit as 30,000. Now in the year 2018 there was a profit of rupees 1,10,000 and the adjustment given is there was a gain on sale of asset of rupees 30,000. The item we would have credited in the profit and loss account. So now we have to subtract it. So your normal profit becomes 80,000. Find the total of this. It is 1,80,000. Now to find the average profit, take the total of normal profit and divide it with the number of years. So the average profit is 60,000. Now to calculate goodwill, we have to multiply this average profit with the number of years purchase. The number of purchase given in the question is 2. So our goodwill is 1,20,000. Okay, so this is how we have to Adjust the items which is given and find the goodwill of the firm with the use of simple average profit method. Next, we are going to see weighted average profit method. We'll solve sum number 14 in your exercise. Profits of a firm for the year ended 31st March for the last 5 years were: for 2016 it is rupees 20,000, for 2017 it is 24,000, 2018 it is 30,000, 2019 it is 25,000, 2020 it is 18,000. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after assigning weights 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively to the profits for the year ended 31st March 2016, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So from 2020, from the recent year, it goes backwards. Okay, so always assign the highest weight to the recent year. Yes. Now we will solve it. Here too we need to have a table. Profit or loss given in the question. Now the next column will be for the weights. Some weights are mentioned and we need to assign weights, isn't it? And last comes weighted profit. So here first we will have the recent year, that is 2020. The profit earned is 18,000 and the weight to be assigned is 5. So our weighted profit becomes 90,000. Next, in 2019, the profit earned is 25,000. The weight assigned is 4 for this year and the weighted profit becomes 1 lakh. Next, in 2018, the profit earned is 30,000. Next, the weight assigned is 3 for this and the weighted profit becomes 90,000. Next, in 2017, the profit earned is 24,000 and the weight assigned is 2. The weighted profit becomes 48,000. Then finally in 2016, profit earned is 20,000. Weight assigned is 1. So the weighted profit becomes 20,000. Now total the weighted profit and the number of weights. Okay, so total weights is 15 and the total of weighted profit is 3,48,000. Okay, now to find the average profit, take the weighted profit, total of weighted profit, that is total weighted profit divided by total weight. Okay, so rupees 3,48,000 divided by 15. So this becomes rupees 23,002. Okay. Now to find the goodwill, multiply this average profit with the number of years purchase. The number of purchase given in the question is 3 years. Okay. So our goodwill is rupees 69,600. So this is how we use weights to calculate the goodwill of the firm. Now let us see how to value goodwill under weighted average profit method with adjustments. Okay. So this is sum number 15 in your exercise. Raman and Daman are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 60:40, and for the last 4 years they have been getting annual salaries of rupees 50,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively. The annual accounts have shown the following net profit before charging partners salaries. Years ended 31st March 2018, rupees 1,40,000. For 2019, it is rupees 1,01,000. For 2020, it is rupees 1,30,000. On 1st April 2020, Zeno is admitted to the partnership for 1/4 share of profit, and it is without salary. Goodwill is to be valued at 4 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 3 years after partners' salaries. Profits to be weighted as 1:2:3, the greatest weight being given to the last year. Calculate the value of goodwill. So here we have the adjustment of partners' salaries given in the question, which we have to adjust, and we need to assign the weights to the years. Okay, the greatest given to the last year, so it goes from reserve. 2020 should be assigned weight 3, and 2019 should be assigned weight 2, and 2018 should be assigned weight 1. Okay, so this is how we have to go about with the sum. Now we will solve it. So here also we have to start with the tabular column. First for the year, then comes the profit or loss given in the question, then comes the adjustment given in rupees, then the profit, normal profit. I'm just writing in short to consume space. Next, weights assigned, and finally weighted. Okay, so now for the year 2000, 1 minute. For the year 2020, we have profit of rupees 1,30,000. And the adjustment given here is both the partners have to be paid salary. For Raman, the salary is 50,000, and for Daman it is 40,000. So annual salary have to be deducted from the profit. Okay, so totally we have to adjust 90,000. That is 90,000 has to be deducted from the profit. So now the adjusted profit is, or the normal profit becomes 40,000. And here the weight assigned for this year is 3. So weighted profit becomes 1,20,000. Next, coming to 2019, the profit earned is 1,01,000. Same way here also annual salary of the partners should be deducted. So the normal profit becomes 11,000 and the weight assigned is 2. So just multiply it, becomes 22,000. Next in 2018 the profit earned is 1,40,000 rupees and the deduction of partner's salary is 90,000 and the weight, I'm sorry, the amount is 50,000. The weight assigned is 1. So the weighted profit becomes 50,000. Now total the weight and total the weighted profit. So 1,92,000 is the weighted profit and 6 is the weight, total weight. Now calculate average profit. Is equal to total weighted profit, that is rupees 1,92,000 divided by total weight assigned, that is 6, and average profit is rupees 32,000. Now to find out or to calculate the goodwill, we have to multiply this average profit, that is rupees 32,000, with number of years purchase. Number of years purchase given in the question is 4. So the goodwill is 1,28,000. So this is how under weighted average profit method we have to calculate goodwill with adjustments. Thank you children.